Morning. We're next to another railway line, but we're not walking down this one. She looks a bit more modern, and we might get run over by a train this time with no notice. Anyway, we're right in the middle of the main road. We've got the toll road, local one there, the local road here, and we're gonna have a wander across the Sky Bridge. They've built this bridge, and there's two parks, big parks. One's called I'm not going to pronounce this, Benchakitti Park and the Lumphini Park. This is the Sky Bridge that connects the two parts together. Yeah, my pronunciation's rubbish, but the good thing about it is made 100% sort of disabled friendly. We've got these for bikes as well and walking, and it's a very, very popular walking and running route. Here we go. Let's have a quick look over the little river there. The train track running across. The rush hour traffic starting. So we're going to have a walk up over the bridge. Oh, the little grooves in it stops you falling. And here we go. That's like a groove we just saw. This takes you into the park. It's all pretty cool. You'll see that one goes. And again, look at this. Amongst the skyscrapers, you've got the shanty sort of town. A bit more modern than a shanty town, but there's still lots of more third-worldy buildings, second world, say call this, mixed up in them. The £1 million premises, and this is not a cheap town. Right. So we are, hopefully, but this is very sad, you get people living here. So we've got the rush hour traffic starting. I don't quite know what they're doing there. It's called diverting people off. Maybe the next turning's shut. Well, we're going to walk down the other side and we're going to walk through to the park and we'll be back in a bit. I don't know how far. Well, we didn't get far, we managed it down the steps. You got the choice of either walking along here or walking down here, so we're heading that way, so we're going to go for a walk down here. It's a bit more local. Let's see what's going on. Look at this. People have built houses here under this bridge. They're working. Wow. Anyway, we're going to continue our walk that way. Right, here we go. Oh, lovely ginger cat. You know. This is, you know, we've got this modern walkway above, and these people, looks like all sort of delivery drivers and motorbikes, trying to make a living. They've had to build houses underneath the walkway. I wonder how many people that run across that walkway every day actually come under and walk underneath it. Delivery bikes. Lady clean up the rubbish. They're so proud. In areas like this, they'll clean the rubbish, they'll get it removed. It just proves you wouldn't get that in England. People just leave it. They're breeding birds, chickens, help them survive, I guess. Bottled waters, delivery. I've got a little shop here, but it's not open yet. Oh, look at this stuff there, wheel. Oh, that's fun. Washing machine, shop opening. Morning. I'm not going to walk down there. Just people's houses. Lovely day.
Yeah.
You okay?
Okay.
Just opening early. Park. That way, yeah? I just walk. Explore. It's such a lovely place. So, yeah, photo. Lovely. Lovely place. Oh, look, baby. Hello. Hello. I'll go that way. Have a great day. Huh? England. Yeah, I thought just have a walk about this morning and enjoy the culture and the people. Huh? Yeah, anything interesting. So interesting in this country. So different. Anyway, have a great day and lovely to meet you. Come car. I'll be brought back later. For maybe come for beer. It's a bar. They just leave. But the friendly locals, you know, this is. You go, you can come do your washing. Might do that. Later. You know, these are people's houses. We've got fire extinguishers here. Not sure if they would put out a fire, these ones, but these ones look quite modern and new. So I guess, you know, they all cook on fire with gas bottles. There's no electric cooking. They've even put a shutter up. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Such a cool place. Morning. These ones are empty. Oh, they're empty these ones. There are more washing machines. Eh? Anyway, let's see if we can get to the park at some point. See, we're still the new sky bridges above. But I was going to walk down that. We've got this below. This community, they live in multi-million-pound high-rises all around. Here we go. Little market. Going to sit on the bridge. And enjoy. Everyone's starting to come to work. It's like motorbike heaven. Oh, what have we got here? Fish. Fish. I don't do fish. Oh, mini spring rolls. Lumphini fish. Ah, pork. Lumphini. Ah. Yeah. I'll have later. I'll go and walk, and then I'll walk back and eat for breakfast. Oh, it's very spicy. I can't do spicy. Take a photo. Double car. Lovely. Through these alleyways, I don't know where they go. We go this way. Morning. Morning. It's just old meets new and new meets old. Well, I don't really understand all this. You've got this nice MC of that car, and to get out, they've got to drive it somehow. It's mind baffling. We've got people living under the river. I don't understand what this means. If I could get a drink, would be good. Looks like a shop. They sell drink. Let's go and have a look in the junk shop. They sell hats. How cool. It's more of a junk shop. Unfortunately, at the moment, I don't really want to carry anything. So, I'm looking for a big fridge with There's some drinks there, but I need the direct drink. Amazing. Oh, dead end. Sorry, go away. We have to go back up on the bridge at this point. I don't think we can walk down that side. So I really don't want to go on the modern bridge, but I think we're going to have to for a minute. Wheelchair. 20 baht a wash, I just bring your own washing powder. Look, recycled bins, but I think they're supposed to be. Oh. And we're back up on the bridge. So that's where we just went. Right, we're just going to keep walking until we get to the park, I guess. Right, believe right, I believe we are near the